Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages. We are back here in this unit. People are crazy. They did not see the word jewelry on it. If you watched the previous video, Scott and I made out like a bandit. We also got Uncle Michael here. He doesn't have a shirt on, so ladies, don't get crazy. Don't get all wild right now.
Married.
Uncle Michael's flossing for you. This box out here, we pulled a little over 1,000 in scrap and 2 cool pieces for the internet. Might even be more in there. You never know. That's the way it goes when you rush into things that we want to see in this box. There's a lighter. I like the lighter. Zippo, General Electric, eBay.
Said all right. I think the box is toast.
We haven't even opened the next box yet. Come on, more jewelry.
Silver flatware.
No,
I think it's sterling.
I think that's the one we used.
Oh,
we already went through that one. I see you can make some money in there, Scott. Look, that's $10 right there.
Not 10.
Yeah, that's not $10.
No.
Uncle Michael, you turn water into wine. Comment below if you think it's worth more than $10, everybody, right now.
I'm saying 3.
That's $10 in pots and pans. You could sell that. People in the comments, don't get mad at Scott said that's $4. It's an $8 pan, a $2 pan, 2 for $1. Uncle Michael's gonna tell them they can have it all for 10 because that's what he does. Turn water into wine. I want to feel it looks heavy, Uncle Michael. You're there, you're losing some of your touch. Everyday dishes.
Oh, I love it.
You know what Uncle Michael's favorite thing is? When you go like this.
Oh, get out here.
Wowzer.
That's everyday dishes.
Looks like a mess at the flea market.
Yeah.
Looks like a $15 to $20 box. That looks like a nice item right there.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait till we look in the unit I bought yesterday. It has radios. What is
Or
that?
a transoceanic.
A blow pump. That's actually, I bet you this has value. I bet you this is over $100 without even looking it up. Is it tubes? Can we see the back?
So is.
I don't think there's tubes in there, but it's still old.
It's from somewhere else. Look at the plug.
It just has a plug that connects into there.
No, he's right. Oh no, it's got a little janky on there.
That is probably, I think blow punk, that's like original blow punk. Remember they started making cheap radios for like Kmart and stuff?
Yeah.
There's a priceless piece of art right there. Coming out, I feel it.
By priceless, you mean no value?
Priceless is, ooh. What is that, Uncle Michael?
1980s technology.
Camera.
Oh, for webcam? You just start a webcam, bet it'd be pretty popular. I see jewelry.
Do you?
Scott's got a better eye.
Oh, I see silver. Oh, yay! We found more jewelry. That's fake.
Yes.
Let's get the garbage. Ooh, don't show the cute girl. Cool. Almost silver.
That's silver.
Oh, here's another one of these silver necklace thingies.
Yeah.
Silver chain.
Seeing gold.
No gold.
Everybody says all I care about is silver and gold.
Yeah, man.
I tell them I'm a pirate. What do you expect? That's almost gold. Is that a tongue ring? It is gold. See how it's got the screw on back? One piece of gold and a diamond.
With a diamond. That's about
We've got a gold collection, ladies and gentlemen.
this.
Right now, you think we're going to find more in here, ladies and gentlemen? I already predict we're going to find more pieces of gold.
Comment below.
They tell the story about how we're movers and we know what it's like to pack people, and you know where people keep stuff at. Bathroom boxes, top dresser drawers, closets. 3 of my favorite boxes to be in. It's a Jensen's for your back. Boom. There you go.
How'd you know?
Ooh.
Ooh.
We should play 52 card pickup.
We want to
Personal photos, we get that. What is that? Oh, certificate of merit. What's on the other one? Definitely got to get those back.
All you really need to know.
Read it.
Share everything. Read it out loud, Mike.
Share everything. Oh, all you really need to know. Share everything. Play fair. Don't hit people, Uncle Michael. Remember that one. Put things back where you found them. I tell my kids it all the time. Clean up your own mess. That's so easy. Don't take things that aren't yours. Yeah, don't steal. Say you're sorry when you hurt somebody. Good one. Wash your hands before you eat. I need to learn that. Flush. Who doesn't flush? Warm cookies and cold milk are good for you. Amen. Uncle Mike eats a ton of those. Live a balanced life. Learn some and think some and draw and paint and sing and dance and play and work every day some and write poems. That's for me. Take a nap every day. Uncle Michael's got that one. When you go out in the world, watch out for traffic. Hold hands and stick together. Be aware of wonder. That's nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Yolo.
That's a really cool knife.
Probably like 15, 20 bucks on eBay.
Books. You got something on eBay for you now? You say that?
No, I got a big plan I can't discuss on camera right now, but something big's going to happen with everything that we found, everything we had, and we'll be disclosing it soon. Teaser, everybody, teaser. One major deal coming. Everybody right now is thinking, Scott, there could be a Tiffany Vase in there, and you're just throwing it all around. Take your time.
It's cluster.
It looks like, yeah, neat little trinkets. Noritake. It's a good vase. Was it? It's a
Teapot. It's just stuff that we don't like to sell.
Because we're only looking for gold, silver, and gems.
Oh, geez.
Almost silver. And wouldn't have all
Probably
these
$10 bill at least.
Oh, Antioch High School. Gotta give all these back.
2008. That's how much longer it took to accumulate this dust, which means they probably spent $20,000 in rent. It's a 5x10. Hot Wheel. Whoa! I just saved their life, everybody. You see that?
Hey,
You guys just saw that in action. Those handles alone are like 50 bucks without the piece on eBay.
we got the beard bullets, so.
Yep. It's 20 to get. You'd be lucky to get 20 bucks as a whole piece, but with the handles only, 50 bucks.
Cleaned up.
Well, you should bring some. You should bring some end dust on next day you sell, Michael.
All going to the dumps.
Say no, need them.
That's a nice leatherman jacket.
Going to Panthers.
Who we got? Is that
Larry Bird.
Can't be.
Nope, it's a WNBA. It's women's basketball. Leatherman jacket we give back to the people. Ooh, look at that one. Oh, it's the 999. It's not the devil. Whew. Thank the Lord. It's a baby box down there.
Why moths hate Thomas Edison?
Because he made mothballs.
Yo quiero Taco Bell. See?
What's in that white box?
It was in here, yeah.
The baby box.
I did not see. It's a present.
Oh, it's a present. It's paper. Nope.
Yes, it is.
It's a whole thing of paper.
Nope.
Somebody got paper for Christmas.
It's not paper.
It's a baby thing.
It's a baby book.
Ooh.
Disney.
Dibs.
I know it.
Yep, dibs.
$5. It could be yours. You gotta buy me out.
Full piece.
Yeah.
Trade you for the gold.
Go ahead. The piece we found already is yours. Nice. That type of stuff is priceless to me.
Jewelry.
Ooh, one of the best movies ever seen right there. Funniest movies ever. JSI the Bob Strike Back. Nice pen collection. Look at the holes the rat ate in that one, Uncle Michael. Right there at the top.
This is pretty bad. All these movies, whatever you want to call them.
Can we see those Game Boy games too?
Oh, didn't see those.
Ooh, the red one's a Pokemon one. That's 20 bucks.
That's the best item so far. Besides the gold already gone.
These are games or movies?
Pokemon. Ooh, this one I hear, it actually seems like one to look up. That sounds rare. Never heard of it. Golden Sun. You'd be surprised. I sell some of these for $100 on eBay. That's pretty common. This is the best game ever right here on N64. Top Gear Rally. Conqueror's Pocket Tails. I would look up both of these ones.
What was it here, Scott?
That one's I already know is 20. Nice.
Garbage. Pins come big solid.
The right place, everything's sellable. I got a positive attitude.
Well, it seems to have been working lately. You weren't having your best month ever. Maybe I should try it.
But be positive?
Yeah.
Uncle Mike, what do you guys say about being positive?
Positive. Don't be negative.
Be positive. You should have stuck with the first one. Pots and pans, everybody. $10, $15 box. Scott's probably going to throw it away. Tiffany lampshade. I know, Uncle Michael. Want a knife? I got a knife.
It's just China. I feel like I could have a sterling flatware set, but it's almost too late for that.
Oh my
I
God.
like all the marks.
Columbia.
Yeah, why is everything so heavy, huh?
This says
There's something on the bottom of the
I agree. Would you like to take it out and look?
I don't know.
How dirty this box is. It feels sterling, but... What?
What's wrong? Me neither. There's sterling.
I told you, I felt it. But it's not.
Dang.
Community. You know I felt it, man.
still not taking a bet.
Yeah, 20, 25 bucks.
What's that?
I think there's still more. Harold buys all that stuff. Yeah, but still, he buys it. Nombre. Decent.
It's all China dishes down below. More coffee. How
Nice.
did I guess? The other direction.
Scott, how many videos you filmed this week while you moved your units?
One.
Did you actually film one?
I filmed it, but I did not release it.
You should get another video up for people. It's a lot of work and takes some dedication, but it is rewarding in the end. Uncle Mike, are you making any videos yet?
No, I've been working way too hard.
Oh, you should make a video for everybody. Why am I going to make a video for you? You're in half my videos.
One dedicated to strictly Uncle Mike.
So they should make videos for me.
This is Uncle Michael has a channel, everybody. I'm trying to get him to 1,000 subs so he goes live for all you guys. I think that's about the best we'll ever get.
To get me, I don't make this. Here we go.
Look at this Tiffany jacket.
That is nice.
It's really nice.
That's a
It's reversible.
$30 to $60 eBay sale.
Really nice.
I usually give most of my Niner jackets to Andy. Ooh, games inside of games, inside of games, inside of games.
Sweet.
Cool game set.
It's the game room box. Why are you playing games, Uncle Michael?
Sweet. New game.
It's $5. See all the sawdust in there?
We won't show our faces here. We'll sit in front of your back and whites, baby.
Well, Michael's trying to take his time over here to get to the bottom. He feels there's something in here.
No bricks.
Learn how to rope and ride. Where's their give-backs? CDs. Frick.
You almost did it.
It's all right. I'm trained. Any video Uncle Michael's in, I listen to every
one.
single word.
Booty shaking hits. Yes.
There you go. Can you play one of those for us and dance, Uncle Mike?
I could. This is all CDs down here. And this is the C.
base.
Nice base. Sellable. First base.
What are you looking for? Your birthday?
No. July 29th. It's a horse.
He's trying to get to the dresser to see if there's anything in it. No? A waffle maker. I usually keep my waffle maker in my dresser. Best item we found today so far, ladies and gentlemen. I take that back. We have a jacket from the greatest football team ever to be assembled in the NFL and Football League. Uncle Michael, look at you just throwing our good stuff around. He lost your gold, Scott. Wow. Not bad still. We paid $50 for this unit, scrapped over $1,000, and there's all this stuff here to sell that Scott will probably just throw away because he don't care. Ain't that right, Scott?
Absolutely.
Don't forget to subscribe to his channel.
Sword Scott.
Yep, Store Scott. I'll put the link right here somewhere in this video. Watching. I love you all. Don't forget to give me a like or a share or anything. Blessings. Have a good day.